What's going on, guys? Matty Daddy Money here. Hope everyone's having a wonderful night. So I got a random package in the mail yesterday or the day before from Canon, the place that did the Avalon Nano 3. I wasn't expecting a package, so yeah, I don't even know what's in it. I figured, you know what, let's do a video on this. I did a how-to video and an unboxing video and setup video on the Nano 3. I will leave a link to that in the description below. But yeah, I figured might as well do a video on this thing. So I already cut all the tape off and all that good stuff. So let's open it up. So we got a keychain here. Oops, hello, I'm dropping it everywhere. Little keychain here. Cool. What is this guy? So this looks like an external fan. It looks like it just slips on something. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check this out and put it on the Nano 3 and see what it does. Now, I don't know if a lot of people were randomly sent these. In my last video that I did on the Nano 3, explained how Avalon, in my personal opinion, went above and beyond. You know, when they first had all these orders set up, they had way more on their plate than they thought was going to be there. And, you know, they were very transparent. They sent constant emails and just kept you updated every step of the way. And I said that was fantastic. And then they ended up commenting on the video itself, just, you know, saying, hey, nice review, whatever. So I don't know if they sent me this because of that or if a bunch of people are getting these. I mean, I highly doubt I'm the only person getting this, but I haven't really seen anything on it on YouTube or anything like that for any of their content creators. So I'm sure there's a bunch of people out there that have this. They even might have, you know, sent out messages and emails and such. And I'm not going to lie, after I received my Nano, I stopped paying attention to those. So I don't know if this is something that was sent out to a bunch of people, like I said, or what. But so I figure, you know, let's get this thing set up and let's see what it does. All right, guys. So we got our Avalon power brick, got our fan. So let's figure this thing out. So I'm assuming this is a fan to cool the Avalon better. I don't know, maybe there's overclocks coming or something of that sort. So yeah, let's put it on and let's see what we can do. So okay, so this is spring loaded. So you can expand it to fit whatever you want to fit. So oh, you know, I wonder if this is for the power brick. There you go. So, I mean, this thing gets insanely warm. Okay, yeah, because it won't fit anywhere on the Avalon itself. So, okay, this is what I'm thinking the use for the fan is. So let's plug it in. Make sure she works. Okay, and we are spinning. Oh yeah, I can feel the airflow. Yeah, that's moving a decent amount of air for as small as, you know, as small as the fan is. Cool. Well, you know what? So let's have some fun with this then. So I'm actually going to plug this back in and let it go for a half hour, something like that, and we'll get a base temperature, and then I'll plug it back in with this on it, and we'll see how much better we do with the fan on it. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I got it, the Avalon plugged back in, so let's take a quick temperature reading of the power brick. About 115, 116, about 115. Okay, 118. Okay, well, let's get the fan mounted and let's see what it comes back with. Okay, she's been plugged in for about a half hour now, so let's check the temperature. About 80. If you guys remember before, I think we were sitting at about 110, 115, somewhere in there. So that's a pretty good change. All right, guys, that'll about wrap it up for this video. I just want to say thank you to the guys over at Avalon for sending this to me. I really appreciate it. And everybody else, if you guys found this interesting, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Everybody have a wonderful night. We'll catch you guys next time.